Hi, I'm Curran. I created this product called VizHub that lets you do AI code editing for data visualization. And one of my customers just wanted to unsubscribe, but I saw that they were interested in motion design, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, what a cool use case for VizHub. Let me see if I could actually do some motion design in VizHub. Because I'm thinking, why would they unsubscribe? Because you can do motion design in VizHub. Let me show you how. If I go to create visualization, oh, you know what I do want to use is P5. P5.js is a really cool library that lets you do pretty effective motion design in my experience. So I'm going to fork this one and I'll put it unlisted for now, work in progress, and I'll say motion design demo. I'll hit fork, and then now we have this voice enabled AI editor. So let me change it to say something like draw a bunch of lines that are vertical that go across the screen. Send that. This is using an AI model to do code edits, and you can review the diff. Now make the lines rotate. And now they're all rotating in the same kind of way. Change it so that each of the lines rotates independently. And it's doing these code edits, and the idea is that you can iterate as fast as you can speak. The lines are still all moving together. Please make it so that the lines move separately. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Slow down the motion to about half the speed of what it is now. Now, I kind of want to make it like really pop, like a black and white, or maybe dark mode. So make it have a black background and make the lines white with 0.8 opacity. Sort of a stylistic thing. Maybe something like add little circles at the endpoints of the lines. They're a little too tall. The lines are going all the way from the top to the bottom of the screen, but could we add maybe 20 pixels padding on the top and the bottom? Okay. We have designed some motion. Oh, let's do that fancy trick that you can do with Canvas where you let the previously drawn version fade out instead of clearing the canvas completely. I think you can do that in P5. Yeah, there we go. There it is. I'm a motion designer. Let me design some motion and set the custom URL, make this public. Now we can, tweet it out or whatever. All right. Motion design demo in VizHub. Let's do a quick code review, see what it actually came up with. The bulk of the logic is here, and it's only 50 lines of code. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The rest is just boilerplate to set up processing. The README is empty. Let me just document this real quick and say, update README, the markdown file, to contain documentation of what this does, framed as the concept of motion design. Replace the following text with your full write-up. And then I'll put the changes here because that's what's there. Okay, now we have a nice README that describes what's going on here, how it works. All right, that's it for motion design demo in VizHub. Thanks for watching. Bye.